All right, how's it going? So today we're going to make some carrot fried rice, cumin seeds. Very simple and delicious. Healthy, vegan, vegetarian. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, here we go. So we've got 3 cups of basmati rice cooked. Now, you may have heard me say this before if you're regular to the channel. I prefer old rice, meaning it was cooked yesterday and put in the refrigerator. Hot and cold rice I don't think fries so well. 2 cups of grated carrot, 1 cup of onion sliced, 1 cup of bell peppers, I'm using yellow and green as you can see there, 3 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of garlic. A couple of other bits are going to go in this, but that's the bulk of it. Let's get moving. Okay, so you're going to need a wok or a skillet or something like that. In there I've got some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. I've got about 3 tablespoons there. The heat's on. I've just put it on high. We're going to get our 3 teaspoons of cumin seeds in. We're going to follow that by 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon garlic, 2 cups grated carrot. Keep it moving now for about 3 to 4 minutes. Beautiful stuff. Next up, we're going to add salt, black pepper, and our 1 cup bell peppers cut nice and small. And we're going to continue on a high heat for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring pretty much all of the time here. Wonderful. Next up, let's grab our rice. 3 cups cold cooked basmati. You can see once it gets cold, it's been in the fridge overnight. It's beautiful like that. About 4 to 5 minutes. Let's really fry the rice. If we get some blackening or browning on the rice, I think that's beautiful. Okay, I hope you can hear that. That there is your rice frying. You really want that. We're not making a rice salad here. Off goes the heat. Really tasty. What we're going to do, a little bit of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, in the mix. Job done. That's beautiful, easy, tasty, and pretty good for you as well. There you go. Super, super easy, super tasty. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.